Hello, Mr. Mohan. I hope I haven't disturbed you.
No, not at all. Welcome.
Firstly, can I ask if I can address you as Ajit or Mr. Mohan?
It would have been fabulous if you addressed me as Sir Mohan, but because I haven't earned it, I think you can call me Ajit.
What was your first reaction when you stepped into the office when it was all done?
I think the first reaction was, wow. I think more than any other place, this atrium where we are, it just gives you this amazing sense of space and light.
We are also quite excited to be here.
Now let me take you to a space that is in every Meta office around the world. And it's a tribute to our origin, the origin of Facebook app. And the big question is, what's on your mind? And if you come closer, we opened this office a week ago, and we had the Honorable Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar here, and he was the first one to write it. And what he has written is, the power of technology must always be about doing good, empowering and transforming the lives of citizens and entrepreneurs.
Can you elaborate more on the way Meta is helping India in the country's digital transformation?
I think it's to what the minister said here. We do believe that our mission in India and around the world is to help build communities, is to help people connect with each other, is to help businesses find markets and grow. And all of this comes alive in this space out of Gurgaon. And we genuinely believe that we have a role to play in being an ally for India as it goes through this amazing economic and social transformation.
Ajit, is it me who's hungry or can I smell some breakfast?
We are here at the cafeteria, and what you're smelling is our fantastic menu of options for breakfast.
I can see this blue design running across the ground floor to this floor. What is this?
This is work from Pratap More, and what he has shown here is how the country is shifting shapes and changing as it becomes more urban over time. I find it really amazing, and you will see this work all the way from the ground floor to the very top of this building.
Is there any correlation between the art piece to the work done at Meta?
I think this art does reflect that. We are changing and evolving and shifting shapes, and yet, keeping in mind the essential core of our mission, which is about connecting people. I do think, even as Pratap talks about all the change, I think the essence of India remains through the decades, even as we are powering to this amazing future ahead of us.
Is there any place in the office where people can go and unwind?
What we've done is created a space where people can come over and relax and play games, but also play music. And we have a lot of amazing artists in the company. They happen to be employees of Meta. This is a bit of a Facebook tradition, is you won't find meeting rooms that are boring. We don't give numbers. We actually try and find a way to reflect the country we are in, the communities we serve, and we have a bit of fun with it. So one of the rooms is a tribute to the iconic brand, Utterly Butterly Delicious. And if you walk with me and if you cover these rooms, you can get a sense of we are having fun with many moments in India's history, the communities around us, as well as popular culture.
Did you also recommend any of the names?
I did not. I left it to the really creative people that I have in my team.
By the way, have you gotten comfortable saying Meta instead of Facebook?
I think it takes a while. I think all of us, are not just employees of Facebook. We've been using Facebook, the app, for a long time. But I'm surprised at how quickly it's changing for all of us. We are starting to use Meta quite a bit.
What was everyone's reaction working over here when they got to know about the name change?
I think it was a positive reaction. I think more than the name change, I think what stood out for everyone was this clear ambition that Mark articulated, that over the next decade, we're going to put a lot of energy and investment into conceiving the next version of the internet, this more embodied, immersive version of the internet that is the metaverse. And I think it rallied our teams around the world. I think it rallied people who are deeply thinking about it. And I think it really excited consumers because this is big. I think this is a big pivotal moment in the evolution of technology. And I think it was received with excitement.
What was your reaction when you first heard about the name change, and what do you make of it now?
I like it. I think there's clarity in terms of what we are trying to do. I think we know that the fundamental mission of the company doesn't change. We have always been about connecting people and communities and empowering others to do great stuff with technology. That doesn't change, but I think there's clarity on all of the work that all of us are doing, all of the evolution of Facebook and WhatsApp and Instagram. There's now a marker for us. How much can we push the envelope in the frontiers of technology? How much can we think beyond the constraints of the internet that largely exists on a mobile screen and really think about bringing alive the metaverse?
I've also heard a lot about the studio space. Can we go and see it?
Of course, please come up with me.
Why are you excited about the metaverse?
I think it's what we talked about. I do think we have this amazing opportunity to build the next version of the internet. And over the last few years, we have invested a lot in building AR and VR, and we've gotten to a moment where many of these technologies are coming live. And we think now is the time for us to go all in. And we're quite excited about some of what is being imagined. And I think we think in 5 to 10 years, this will all look quite different.
If you have to explain what metaverse is to your young son, how would you do that?
Yeah, and in fact, I actually tried this because, he grew up in a world with mobile phones around him. What I explained to him is metaverse is almost, imagine it if he were playing his favorite game and he was in it. He got the power of it instantly.
How often do you speak with Mark?
In my head, all the time.
What's your ambition for this new office?
I think we want this to be a space where our teams do the very best work of their lives. But to all of what we have chatted today, I really hope this is a space that brings the communities outside of this, outside of our teams, into these spaces, and we figure out ways to help them power the kind of big, dramatic, positive change that we think we can contribute to.
Now we are at the end of the interview. Any parting words?
Thank you. Thank you for doing the walkabout with us. And I really hope each one of you will get a chance to visit this office and be inspired by it and do amazing work on our platforms and beyond.
We really enjoyed the office space and thank you so much for taking us around.
Thank you.